नमस्कार विद्यार्थ्यांनो, आज आपला विषय आहे इंग्रजी इयत्ता 7वी. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू रीड जर्नी टू द वेस्ट. आज आपण जर्नी टू द वेस्ट हा एक छोटासा पाठ वाचायला शिकणार आहोत. मी वाचते, तुम्ही माझ्या मागे वाचा. मी तसा तुम्हाला वेळ दिलेला आहे. व्हेन वी रीड द वर्ड्स जर्नी टू द वेस्ट, वी naturally start thinking about a journey to Western countries like England and America. But West is a relative term for countries to our east. We are the West. This particular journey that we are going to read about was actually a journey from China to our own country. It was made by the famous 7th century traveler Yuan Shuang. In those days, traveling from China to India was not an easy task. One had to travel thousands of miles on foot or horseback, crossing deserts, crossing snow-clad mountains, crossing strange, unfamiliar regions, using roads where bandits and robbers roamed. Who would do it? But Yuan Shuang had a dream. He wanted to take Buddhist scriptures from India to his homeland in China. It was like a pilgrimage to him. Yuan Shuang undertook the long and difficult journey to follow his dream. For 17 long years, he kept on traveling, suffering many hardships on the way. He traveled across the Gobi Desert, then along the Tian Shan mountain range, and on along the Silk Road through regions that are now Kyrgyzstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan and Pakistan before he came to India. In India, he traveled to many parts and gathered many important manuscripts. The way back home was also equally difficult, but Yuan Shuang managed to reach China safely along with the scriptures. This was a great achievement. It was almost unbelievable. So much so that people thought that the gods and supernatural powers had helped Yuan Shuang in his quest. This gave rise to many interesting folk tales. Centuries later, an epic novel called Journey to the West was written about these famous pilgrims. The novel made use of many of the folk tales. The novel and the stories in it are still very popular. The novel tells us that there are many demons and evil powers who are eager to kill and gobble up the holy monk. Who would save him? Who would vanquish the demons? Well, the Guanyin deity, who is the goddess of mercy, has seen to that. She has assigned this task to three special people: Sun Wukong or the Monkey King, Zhu Baji or Pixie, and Sha Wujing or Sand Priest.